What's up guys? Today we have brought you best 5 hand blender. From budget friendly, superior quality, user feedback and top ratings on Amazon. So let's begin. Chefman Immersion Blender 300 Watt. CMULTI speed with precise control. Ergonomic soft silk touch rubberized handle with 12 speed options, offer precise control over blending needs, and makes any blending task easy to handle. Turbo button gives an extra boost to the blending process. High power for better blending. The Chefman Immersion blender has a high-powered 300-watt motor that handles more blending tasks quietly and with ease. This food blender will liquefy fruit, leafy greens, mix baby formulas and more. Blade detaches with just a twist and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup as easy as 1 to 2 to 3. Sleek black exterior is easy to wipe down to clean up any splattered food. Protect your pot from scratching. Heat-resistant plastic blade guard is gentle on pots, so you can worry less about scratching it and focus on creating deliciously blended dishes. Ice-crushing cross blade. Specially designed cross blades make perfect pureed dishes such as smoothies, sauces, soups, and dips. When blending frozen ice or chunks of frozen fruit or veggies, make sure they are immersed in liquid for desired results. The ultimate tool for a variety of blending options, this stick blender can reach into mixing bowls, large cooking pots, and pitchers. Make sure not to immerse the cord in water. RJ19 MSPBG, assurances. CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. Now introduced. Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender 300 Watt. Powerful, equipped with a high-speed 300-watt motor, it quickly and seamlessly blends ingredients together to make delicious and healthy smoothies, pureed soups, marinades, sauces, juices, and much more. Adjustable speed. It comes equipped with a pulse-activated sensor with 2 blending speeds from low to high to whip up the perfect texture and consistency with just one touch. Sleek and ergonomic, it's built with a sleek, ergonomically designed motor housing body with a non-slip and easy-to-grip handle that gives you comfortable and sturdy control over the blender. Heavy-duty and compact, its slim stick immersion shaft is made of food-grade stainless steel and was carefully designed to fit almost all mixing bowls, pots, and beakers for your daily needs. Super easy to clean, the shaft is dishwasher safe and the body can easily be cleaned by wiping with a soft damp cloth. These parts come apart and come back together with ease. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions for 1 year from the original purchase date. Now introducing Bella Immersion Hand Blender. Powerful and versatile. This 2-speed immersion blender features a powerful 250-watt motor and a 6-inch blending shaft. Blend, whip, chop and puree directly into tall pots and pans. Simple cleanup. Perfect for the smaller kitchen, this handheld blender includes durable and removable dishwasher-safe stainless steel blade system and whisk attachment. Ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Easy recipes. Small enough to store in a drawer, this mixer is great for making soups, smoothies, meringues, dips, sauces, mayo, chutney, whipped cream, salsa, baby food, guacamole and batters for baking. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella it can be. We provide you with quick and convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware and housewares. Now let's take a look. Mueller Ultra-Stick 500. Fast-track your baking and cooking. Whip up your favorite meals and drinks in record time. Our stainless steel, extra-sharp blades mean your handheld blender can blend, puree, or mix even the most dense ingredients with increased precision and ease. Increased kitchen power. Equipped with a 500W motor and comfortable ergonomic handle, this 3-in-1 blender is carefully calibrated to deliver on both looks and utility for the long haul. At home lats. Need a coffee break? Simply attach the frother head to begin putting together customized hot drinks in minutes. Customizable settings. With 9 speeds, choose your preferred pace depending on the task at hand. We recommend a lower setting for things like frothing hot drinks, while blending starches and thick soups may require a higher setting. Turbo mode. Kick it up a notch by tapping into turbo mode, a setting found on the side of your blender's handle. This burst of increased power helps you efficiently move through high-resistance, dense recipes with ease. Practical design. Cleaning just got a lot easier. Simply detach your chosen attachment from your blender and place it in the dishwasher, ready to go for next time. 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence and blend happily ever after.
Take immersion blending to the next level with the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand blender. With professional performance and cordless convenience, the cordless hand blender does it all, from blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. Powered by a rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, LED display controls, and a 3-foot removable USB cable port for easy charging, the hand blender will reach a full charge in only 2 hours and will run continuously for 20 minutes. The stainless steel shaft is long enough to reach into pots and bowls to do all your prepping or blending in one place. Use the chef's whisk attachment to create homemade whipped cream in seconds. The 3-cup beaker is marked in liters and cups for convenient measuring. Ergonomically designed for easy gripping and drip-free pouring, the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand blender will be your go-to in the kitchen. Enjoy the prep and cooking with the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand blender.